Actually, this particular interest in car detailing happened when I traveled to Japan, and also I was in Thailand for some time. So I used to see all these cars looking very shiny and glowing all the time. So that was very curious to know how is this possible to be achieved, because I used to do the same to my own car, but I couldn't achieve those results. So obviously at that point of time in India, we didn't have exposure to these products. So a lot of my initial exposure came when I was in Thailand. So I used to go to detailing shops, and I used to actually see what it is that they do and how do they actually manage to keep their vehicles in such pristine condition. In Thailand, there's a massive car culture present in the country. You see a lot of the cars on the roads are absolutely sparkling, and most of them are so passionate about what they do. So I guess that's where all this started, after going there and seeing, and that made me think, why not we have this same kind of aesthetics in India also.